Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video I am sharing with you how I set up my 2020 bullet journal. I will be using the Lighttrim journal. This year I am including a 2020 cover page. The first spread I set up is the annual goals along with the research pipeline. This pipeline is inspired by the Professor Zen book. This page is where I keep track of all of my research projects' progress. Similar to last year, I am tracking all movies watched. I included a small envelope to keep all of my ticket stubs in one place. On the next page, I will keep track of all the books I'm reading using a Dutch door for different categories. I also have a spread for self-care, things to do when I feel the need to be grounded. I use the Tombow dual brushes to give the titles an ombre look. I added some dried flowers and washi tape for a more welcoming feel.
The secret that we have is what we have is true. I feel your energy bouncing on my skin.
In order to budget, I will be tracking my debt on this page. To save money, I am using a Munchkin's Game inspired spread where each level corresponds to a certain amount saved. The left side of the page is titled When Did I Last? Meaning when did I last get an oil change or go to the dentist. On the right side, I have a scattered list of things I plan to one day learn. This is where I keep all of my to-do lists. I use sticky notes to easily remove them when completed. The future log is to track all future events to later place in a monthly spread. I record random ideas on the thoughts page. I use brown paper, pages from an old book, and washi tape to decorate the spread.
Don't forget, you're the one that I love. Don't you know? Don't forget, you're the
For January, I decided on a flower theme. I printed the flowers and drew stardust with a Micron 005 and Tombow pens. Every month, I track habits, goals, and to-do items. On the right side is the week 1 spread. In a typical weekly spread, I include the theme, daily to-do items, goals, and a place for notes. Every week I add a song. This week, the song I listened to the most was Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. I began tracking my daily expenses in this spread.
Don't you know that you drive me
Following every week, I allow space for notes during meetings, seminar, and journal club. I separate each entry with washi tape.
my eyes, they look more than what they give on. And honey, told you all I see is
That is my journal up to date. I hope you find these spreads useful to start your own journal and stay organized. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.